Okay, so we're right into the FNAF or Five Nights at Monkey's. Alright, so we're just gonna join a random.
I just made it, bro. I'm like that. I told you, bro.
Alright, so I think I'm gonna check out the place and then I'll go do the stuff. Like zero complaints. So we're gonna go to the FNAF store. Is it this way? No, this is fan art. So then we need to go this way. I was right, we do need to go this way. Okay, so how many? I have 2,500. How much is this? 2,000. 1,700. Hat 0. But you never know when this could disappear, so. I should have enough if I just buy this pack, and then I'm gonna buy this. That's it. Wait, hold on.
I know, guys. I think I need to go back to spawn. Guys, we're the only ones here.
Whoa.
We're the only ones who are here. We're the
You
only
know about
ones who
this.
are here.
Oh yeah, I like this. Alright guys, so we're going to go to the Knights now. After I had to buy that cosmetic, let's go. Alright, so I can actually see down here. I don't know what my little brother's saying. Bro.
Hello? Is this on? Okay.
Yeah,
Hey
it
there,
is.
welcome to your first day on the job. This is pre-recorded message that will explain a few things about this job. So let's get into it. The job is simple. All you need to do is watch the cameras, and if anything tries to get you, just close the door by pressing the red button. To open the door, press the green button. Make sure not to have the door closed for too long since you have a limited amount of power, aka battery. I don't know really what to call it. You can call it whatever. Is that everything? Oh yeah. Every night you will be in different locations. The first night, which you've just started, will take place in forest. Also, there are some things that like to lurk in the forest.
I'll pass on that, pal.
I'm not really sure what they are, but if you see anything looking at you through the window, then quickly hide under the table. Anyway, good luck.
Okay, so if I see anything, hide under the table. Gotcha. Look, okay. So, I'm watching that window. Nothing. No, I think that's a good time to close that.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Okay, so he's not right there. So the only thing we don't want him to be is right there. Okay, yeah, he's in the spot. Okay, so he's right here on the slide. He's right there. Or he's like kind of too close. I feel like he's gonna spawn about right there. Because I feel like he's trying to get closer. Oh. Oh. Okay. He's over at leaderboard. Okay. Nothing too bad is happening. Don't trust that window.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message.
I know
We've
if
detected
it's-
that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Alright, we're chilling. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Close that. He is not getting up here. Oh yeah, we're chilling. Yeah, we're chilling. We don't gotta worry about like 2 monsters. We're chilling. Bro, I used to play a lot of fun. Don't. Okay, he's back in his original spot. Let's go. We're. I didn't open that door. Alright, so I'm a little scared. Not really. Just a little. Not really. I'm worried about that guy, Mr. Window Man, and the little banana head down there. Ignore all the background noise. That's dogs. Dog owners will understand. Dogs! Well, I might actually have to...
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Dang. Okay, he's at the light board. He's at the light board. Nobody is here with me. It's already, but we're chilling. Bro, it's 3 a.m. Little man down there's still there. Frederick the Snowman straight chilling. Got my little plunger, got my pineapple if I get hungry, and a candy cane. Got my little turkey in the back. Where did he go? Like, I'm not really scared about it, but I'm just curious on where he keeps disappearing to. Alright, so, hey, Window Man. Are you out there? You're supposed to be. I don't know if Mr. It's usually when he gets out of his spot, that guy comes. So, yeah. August 6th. In Forest. What?
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message.
Oh.
We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Close this. Okay. I'm ready. Huh? Wow. EAR. Where's he gone? He's gone. Okay, is he still here? So then, guys, we got a problem. Oh, he's on bridge. He's on bridge for the first time. Why did he look right at me? Yeah, I'll pass on that one. Dogs! And he just disappeared. That's great. Which cameras is he on? Alright, he's on slide camera.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot.
Oh, come
Please
on!
find him before it's too late.
Here it is. 4 a.m. 2 more hours. 2 more. We're chilling. We're good. Alright, so it's slide. Yes. You're here. Should be good. Oh no. Nope, it takes him a minute. He's still there? We're chilling. Okay, we're chilling. Is he at leaderboard? Yeah, he is. Okay. We're chilling, bro. Bro, easiest job of the... It goes have more animal... Oh. Okay, he's back. Oh, we're good. I don't know what this guy's doing, though. He's just sitting back here. So we got little Fred the snowman, chilling in the corner. We got my little action figure sitting right here. He's on window watch. That's how I always know when to go down. Got my door, which I should open. Oh, wait, hold on.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot.
Okay, yeah, we're
Please
chilling.
find him before it's too late.
Is he better come? Okay. This is like the long. Oh, it's 5 a.m. One more hour. Bro, I'm getting nervous. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. What? I beat it though. I'm so confused. Yes, I did it. Okay, we did it. 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 I got jump scared literally at 6 a.m. Like, bro, I'm goated. Whoa. I'm goated. Bro, call me him. Bro, call me him.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, I'm getting a little carried away here. But, I know, I need to get done with this video. But I want to do this little parkour thing. Heck yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're going to night 2. Night 2, here we go. Let's see what happens. I don't know about y'all, but I'm kind of scared. Because I don't really know what could be here in this, on night 2. Because, like, night 2 is when everything starts, like, kicking and stuff. So, yeah, let's see what happens. If it would load.
Hello? Hello, hello? Oh, hey, you made it to the second night. Congrats! This night will be a little different. You'll still have to watch the cameras, but there's no doors. So check the cameras for anything.
This is
and if
like
one of those creatures are, like, really close to the camera, press that emergency reset button, or else you won't make it out alive. Also, if you notice one of the creatures on cam 3 pull the lever, that will shock it to prevent it from getting in.
Can we,
Is there anything else? Oh. Hello?
what lever? This?
Who
What lever? There's a lever? Hold on, where's this lever at that this guy was just... Okay, so I'm not gonna look that way. Why is the finger meaner in the neck? Oh, that's the lever. I didn't see it. That's my fault. No, this man best not be a... Why are they just sitting down there at the leaderboard? This night's easier, right? Guys, we're missing a robot. We are missing. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, there's one right there. You come at that camera, I'm gonna pull this lever down. You don't test me. Where's this camera at? You're right there. Go up on the camera. I dare you. I want to shock you with this little thingy because I haven't done it before. Come on. Come on. Alright, I'll wait. I'll wait. Alright, come on. Go up against the freaking camera. I feel like just shocking him will make him angrier. He's just sitting there. Alright, we're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. How to get him away. They're staring right up here, so, don't trust this. Like at all. Alright, so I'm gonna just... Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Hello! They're staring right at me. I know they are. They're like somewhere over here. I'm scared! Oh god! I'm scared. I don't like this. Okay. Whew. Calm down. Okay, we're chilling. Okay, it's already 2 a.m. Where's my power box? Oh, spaghettios. I'm kind of scared. What do I do? Oh, no. That should work. What? Did I do not what it said? Did I not just do what it said to do? They did not say use the little lever. I guess not. I guess you don't use the little lever. I guess we're going back. It's like... Oh, wait. What are these? Nice. Whoa. This is actually pretty cool. Alright, so... I might make a series with this. Because this is actually very fun to play. Oh, you can't get in there. Okay, so I might make a series on this because this is actually pretty cool. Oh, don't put me down there. Because I haven't even beat Night 2 yet. But, I might make a series. So, yeah, hope y'all like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.